Good Friday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and I've got some cruise news for you today. And today we're going to start off talking about Seabourn, because those folks out sailing on the Seaborn Sojourn, well, they got an unexpected surprise this past Wednesday. They got a special waterfall event right in their atrium. So a freshwater pipe, it was just a freshwater pipe, nothing else, did break on the Seabourn ship, caused water to rain down through deck number 4 in the main atrium. So yeah, passengers, they got a little bit of a surprise. If they were in the atrium or walking through the atrium, they might have gotten an extra shower that day. Now, she is an older cruise ship built in 2010. She was in some rough seas. Like I said, it was just a freshwater pipe, and this does occasionally happen. She's not the first ship to break a pipe. She's not the first ship to have some water inside. The crew, they were on top of it. They got the water shut off. They got the water cleaned up. And those passengers, well, they're going to have a little bit of an extra surprising adventure story to tell when they get home. Disney Cruise Lines, they have had the keel laying ceremony for their third Wish class cruise ship, sister to the Disney Wish, sister to the Disney Treasure. Well, their third cruise ship is going to be named the Disney Destiny. The Disney Destiny is scheduled to be out in 2025. And according to Disney, the theme of the ship is going to be heroes and villains for those Disney fans out there. And finally, a familiar face is coming back to Carnival Cruise Lines, somebody that's been missing from the Carnival Pride for a little bit now. I'm sure everybody remembers the replica statue of Michelangelo's David, which used to be in the Steakhouse on board the Carnival Pride. You know, caused a little bit of controversy for some folks. Some folks were able to just appreciate the fact that there was Italian art there in the Steakhouse. But, well, other folks, not so much. They used words like offensive, disturbs me while I'm eating my dinner. And yes, it is a replica, but Carnival does keep a fig leaf over the bits, keep them covered up so it's not totally out in the open. But look, it was an Italian steakhouse with Italian theming, and it had a replica of an Italian statue. However, when the Pride went into dry dock, the steakhouse was rethemed. And the statue of David, well, just did not go with the theming, was removed from the Carnival Pride and placed into storage. Well, he is officially coming back, because the statue of David is going to be put on board the Carnival Firenze. So it's going to be the Costa cruise ship moving over to Carnival Cruise Lines for Costa by Carnival. The whole ship is Italian themed. So to me, seems like a really good place for the replica David statue to go. Should fit in perfectly with the whole theming of the cruise ship. Now, I know I saw plenty of comments where people said he should go back to the Pride. That's where he belongs. Already saw comments about people talking about how it will be offensive to see this statue on board the cruise ship. Now, me personally, I guess I don't understand. You're going on an Italian-themed cruise ship that's going to have Italian art. And statues like this are exactly what you would see in Italy doing Italian things. So I really don't know why people would book a cruise that's all about, you know, that part of the country, has all about that theming, and then want to be offended by what they might see. I think this is going to be a great new home for the statue, but you guys let me know. Are you happy that David's back? Are you offended that David's back? Or are you one of the ones that say David should have never left the Carnival Pride to start with?